A vendor at a local football stadium must determine whether to sell ice cream or hot coffee at today's game. The vendor believes that the profit made will depend upon the weather. Her payoff table is shown below. So the two columns are weather conditions with probabilities, and the two rows are possible actions to choose. And 40, 55, 20, 80, they are payoffs, profits. EMVs, expected monetary value, they are expected payoff for each action. For action A1, 49. For action A2, 56. 49 and 56, 56 is the maximum EMV. Convert the above payoff table to opportunity loss table and find the optimal action based on the minimum expected opportunity loss criterion. So we have to convert this table into opportunity loss values, and we have to find expected opportunity loss values and minimum expected opportunity loss and the corresponding action. Next, now we prepare a table for opportunity loss table, opportunity loss values, the same structure and the blank entries. Okay, OL values, opportunity loss. So what is the opportunity loss? The highest possible payoff under a state of nature, minus payoff one obtained in the payoff table. So by this definition, opportunity loss in this cell, in this table, in this cell is opportunity highest payoff in this column minus its payoff. The difference between highest payoff and payoff. This is the opportunity loss value. So we better convert column after column. The first column, the first weather condition. Under cold weather condition, possible payoffs are 40 and 20. So according to the action, if one had chosen action A1, he or she will receive 40 full. If one happened to choose action A2, the payoff will be 20, 40 less than highest opportunity. Therefore, opportunity loss values are 40 minus 40. The highest opportunity is 40. If the payoff is 40, no opportunity loss. If the payoff is 20, opportunity loss is 20. So this will be the first column of the payoff or opportunity loss table. Okay, how about the second column? First consider the second column of the payoff table, 55 and 80. So if one obtains only 55, the opportunity loss will be 80 minus 55. If one happens to choose action A2, the one will receive the payoff value 80. Therefore, no opportunity loss. So this is the second column of the opportunity loss table. So we get opportunity loss table. The first column 0, 20, second column 25, 0. Like this. Next, EOL, expected opportunity loss for A1, expected opportunity loss for A2. So expected opportunity loss is the sum of each opportunity loss times probability to get this opportunity loss. So for action A1, 0 times 0.4 plus 25 times 0.6, 15. Similarly, 20 times 0.4 plus 0 times 0.6, 8. So opportunity loss minimum is 8. To get this minimum opportunity loss, one has to sell ice cream. So one has to do action A2. Opportunity loss is the value which one doesn't desire. Therefore, one should choose the minimum opportunity loss.